Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the ATEC 32GB DDR4 ECC RDIMM kit, specifically the 2x16GB configuration. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's designed for servers and workstations, so if you're building a gaming rig or upgrading a laptop, this isn't the memory for you. This kit boasts a speed of 2133 MHz, operating at PC4-17000, also known as PC4-2133P. It's an ECC-registered DMM, which is crucial for data integrity in critical applications. The 1RX4 designation means it's a single rank module with a X4 organization. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, running at a cool 1.2V. Now, what does all this jargon mean for you? If you're running a server or workstation, you know that memory is paramount. This ATEC kit aims to improve your system's performance, increase its workload capacity, and reduce those frustrating bottlenecks that can cripple productivity. By adding more RAM, you're essentially giving your system more room to breathe, allowing it to handle more tasks simultaneously and process data more efficiently. The ECC registered aspect is particularly important for servers and workstations. ECC, or error correcting code, memory detects and corrects errors that can occur during data processing. This is vital for maintaining data integrity and preventing system crashes, especially in applications where data accuracy is paramount, such as financial modeling, scientific simulations, and database management. It's crucial to understand that this ECC-registered memory cannot be mixed with other types of ECC memory, such as ECC unbuffered, ECC load reduced, or even non-ECC unbuffered memory. Mixing different types can lead to system instability or failure to boot. Always consult your system's documentation to ensure compatibility. Memory compatibility can vary significantly between different system models and their installed components. Pay close attention to memory channel guidelines to maximize performance. ATEC emphasizes the rigorous testing and quality control that goes into each of their memory modules. They're built for superior performance and reliability, which is exactly what you need in a server or workstation environment. Finally, ATEC backs their products with a limited lifetime warranty and a top-rated support team. This provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. Upgrading server or workstation memory can be tricky, so having reliable support is a major plus.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.